A La Vista daycare employee will need hundreds of thousands of dollars to get out of jail before his trial.
John Key made his first court appearance today for allegations of third-degree sexual assault of a child. The judge has sealed details of this charge. First 06 reporter John Chapman was in court to hear the debate around his high bond.
Do you swear or affirm the affidavit that you've completed, which states that you want an attorney, you just can't afford one at this time?
61-year-old John Key swears in Sarpy County Court that he will need a public defender. Key is facing a charge of third-degree sexual assault of a child. According to information from the Better Business Bureau website, Key is listed as one of the owners of Bright Stars Child Care near 85th and Harrison. La Vista police also report Key is an employee of Mom's Daycare, located across the street from Bright Stars. The Nebraska Department of Health and Human Services issued an emergency order to shut down both facilities for the safety of the children. In court, Key's public defender told the judge his client has no prior felony convictions.
I understand the nature of the charges. I did review the probable cause affidavit. No admissions by my client or any acknowledgement of this, flat out denied any of the allegations. This is what I'd say a he said, she said situation, not very clear.
Public defenders asked for a $10,000 bond, but prosecutors say the facts of the case are very concerning.
The state is still investigating whether or not there could be additional victims in this case. But I will say within that affidavit, there is one statement that the defendant did admit to tickling the child. So I do think there is some concern that there may be something more to this.
Prosecutors also pointed out that Key has a pending charge of assault while displaying a dangerous weapon in Pottawatomie County and asked for a $2.5 million bond.
The state's requested bond is granted. Bond will be set at $2.5 million. Bond posting $250,000 in cash. You would then be eligible for release. However, you would still remain subject to, again, pretrial supervision with a no contact condition and GPS monitoring.
The judge says Key does have the right to have his bond reviewed, but for now, Key will remain in custody of Sarpy County law enforcement.
The judge set a $2.5 million bond this morning, and that's indicative of the charges against him and our concerns about potential flight risk.
In Sarpy County, I'm John Chapman, First Alert 6.
Key's next court appearance is set for August.
We're getting a bit of